everyone, how's everyone doing today? My name is Gina and I'm doing great. Are we ready for another day of Craftmas? I know I am. Okay, so I have this idea. Hey, I've been doing pretty well this year, right? My snow globe looks fantastico. So what I want to do is I have these are light bulb molds, right? I got them off of Amazon, and I'm not gonna, they're not very good, I will say, and they were all, they came in this little box, all squished up. So I'm hoping that they're gonna do a good mold. I don't have much hope in it, but I want to try it, so, but they're LEDs, so they come with the bottoms here, and then you do have, yeah, and then there's, the LED is this part right here, that you put into this part right here, and then you put your battery in it, and it lights up and stuff, but for this particular project, we're not going to do that. What I want to do is, have you seen the little snowmen that are made out of regular light bulbs, right? I mean, this has been going on forever and a day. So I thought, why not make it, because this one looks like a regular light bulb is supposed to. Anyway, so I was thinking, what if we used resin so it would be more sturdy? Right? And then we can paint him and make him look like a snowman. Okay, so that's my idea anyway. So, I probably will use the LED. Why not? Let's just see what that will look like. But I've got my resin here. Let's resin. I need to get more of this. I'm almost out. And, gross. I don't like the feel of resin. I should have my gloves on. I also have my glitters that I love. My favorite glitters. These are my favorites. So I have some chunky, and I have some of my fine. And then I do have white opaque dye because I want it to be white. I want it to be like a snowman, okay? And then this is just a white pearl metallic, so it's got a little glitter in it. So let us put on our mask and let us put on our gloves, and that way we are good and protected. And we will just mix up some of this. So I'll mix the resin with the directions 1-to-1. And I will put in the opaque, a metallic that has glitter in it, alcohol ink. And of course I'll put my favorite glitters in. I even used some chunky glitter in it, which fell to the bottom of the mold, but that's okay. And I will talk about this mold later on in the video, but y'all, I do not recommend you buying it. It was really bad, and you'll see. And it took quite a bit of resin to fill the mold, over 100 grams or ounces, whatever. I think I'm on grams, not ounces. That'd been a lot, but yeah, it took quite a bit. And then of course it did have a lot of bubbles and such, and the mold is not shiny on the inside, so it wasn't really shiny on the outside. And then it took forever and a day to get this thing out. I even tried soapy water, did not work. Ooh, I hate this mold. Okay, I finally got it out, y'all. Oh my gosh, and look how I knew it was gonna be like that. I knew it was going to be just gross. These molds are just, don't get them. They're the cheap ones off of Amazon. I mean, they weren't that cheap though, like $12, but I mean, as you can see, but it is what it is. We're going to continue on anyway. But now fun part, decorating this. I was going to use Posca pens, and then I really did not like the way that it ended up looking. It just was flat, and I really didn't like it. So I got buttons out. And at first I thought, okay, I'll use fiber tack. And then I was like, no, let's just use UV resin. That way it stays on really nice and sturdy, you know. And then Freckles had to come and decide she wanted to supervise me with it. And I was so afraid she was going to get resin all over her. I had to put her down. And then for the eyes, I just went ahead and used buttons for them as well. Because like I said, I really didn't like the Posca pen or the paint, you know. So then I got an orange pipe cleaner and created his little carrot nose using the UV resin as well to hook that sucker on there so it will stay nice and secure on his little snowman face. To make his hat, I used a ring from a water bottle, and then I took some of the thread that I had and just looped it on. This was what I made last year, little Santa hats, so I'll try to remember to link that video here if you're interested in seeing exactly how you do that. And then you just make it go all the way around, and then you take one string and tie it all together to make the hat, and then you'll trim off the longer pieces to make his little toboggan hat. And oh my gosh, it was so cute. It turned out so freaking adorable. I love this little hat. It is so cute. So yeah, there I am just trimming it down to make it look like it has a little pom-pom on top. So cute little hat. For his little vest, I just used a ribbon that I had available and some fiber tack to tack it down. And I had a little gingerbread button, and I put that down at the bottom to kind of, like it was closing it together. Y'all, this was really fun, and I mean, you can decorate these things every which way you want. I really, really did have a lot of fun with this one. I think he turned out super, super cute. And of course, I had to put highlights in his eyes. So there he is, all nice and done, ready to have a smile on his face and decorate your house. Look how cute he turned out to be, like he's sitting up. He's adorable. Well, that is it for this Craftmas, for this craft. I think he's so cute. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you're enjoying this series. If you are, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you've not already subscribed, and share if you so incline. All right, y'all. I will see y'all tomorrow for another day of Craftmas. Y'all be good to one another. Bye.